Whether you've loaded a brand kit or not, you can add a color directly in GraFx Studio. Open the Resources panel and click Brand Kit. Go to the Colors tab and click the Add icon. Click the More Options icon to either edit, rename, duplicate, delete, or move it up and down. You can also double-click its name to rename it, and click the color to edit it. At the top, click the arrowhead to select either Hex, RGB, CMYK, or Spot. Here, let's go with Hex. When you add a shape or text, select it and go to the Properties panel. Under Appearance, click Fill or Stroke and the Colors tab. You'll be able to see and select your saved color.